Bees are not just a source of honey, they are one of the most important organisms on which our planet depends to maintain ecological balance. Without bees, agriculture would lose a significant portion of its production, and food chains and biodiversity would be seriously affected. A beehive resembles an ideal society based on division of labor and cooperation. Queen, the only fertile female, lays up to 2,000 eggs per day during the active season, secretes pheromones that regulate the colony's behavior. Worker bees, females make up approximately 90% of the hive, responsible for collecting nectar and pollen, producing wax, building hexagonal cells, feeding larvae, and protecting the colony. Their life cycle is relatively short, from weeks to a few months. Males wasps. Their sole function is to fertilize the queen. The male dies immediately after mating. They are expelled during the winter to reduce resource consumption. A bee goes through 4 main stages. Egg. The queen lays it in the hexagonal cell. Larva. It is fed royal jelly, then honey and pollen. Pupae cocoon. It undergoes metamorphosis inside a closed cell. Full-grown bee. It emerges to assume its role in the colony worker, drone, or queen. Pollination. Bees contribute to the pollination of more than 70% of flowering plants and agricultural crops such as fruits, vegetables, and nuts, preserving biodiversity. Thanks to pollination, bees help sustain the lives of thousands of plant species. Food security. Many food commodities depend directly on bee pollination. Challenges faced by bees. Pesticides. These affect their nervous system and weaken their immunity. Diseases and parasites, such as the varroa mite, which sucks the blood of bees. Climate change. These affect flowering seasons and disrupt the food balance. Habitat destruction. Deforestation and urban expansion reduce nectar sources. Bees are a model of cooperation, and their role in nature is indispensable. Protecting bees means protecting agriculture and biodiversity, and thus protecting human life itself.